my name is Sadia, and did you know your laptop have emojis option like mobile? If you don't believe me, then press window key plus full stop and then see the magic. How many tricks are computer full of? Sometimes we don't even know. It has the power of make your life easy into thousands. So if you want to know these all tricks, watch the video till the last. So here we go. Today's video title is in today's modern day smartphone offers split screen option. We have been getting these same things in laptop for centuries. And you do not have to do much in this. Just open Google or any other software in your laptop. Just you have to press window key plus left arrow key. If you will press control plus window plus D button, it creates a desktop inside your monitor. You can open 20 if you want, you can open 30 if you want. It is unlimited. It means you can make your monitor work like two monitors. Now this trick will help you in typing. Now I have to cut this sentence how I will cut. Like this, but this wastes my time too much. And that trick is, I will press Ctrl plus backspace. This trick works. Comment below how many tricks you know. And if these tricks are useful for you, then you can subscribe my channel. Bye bye.